Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you some really cool Thanksgiving decor. Hey everybody, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. I first want to apologize for all this bright that's on this side of the screen. I don't have any shades up right now and the light is coming in pretty strong, but I'm going to take it because it's probably going to snow tomorrow here in Michigan because it's November and that's what it does in Michigan. If it does in your area, let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to see what it's like in your area right now. So today I want to show you this really cool paper clock that I made. It's for Thanksgiving. It says, "It's time to gobble." Oh, let me move my finger out of the way. There you go. Can you see that better? Now the actual clock face is not paper, but everything else about the clock is made out of paper with the Cricut. The Cricut even writes and fills in the letters here with the design that I have. So these are really cool tabletop decor. I just think it's cute and kind of funny. If you don't want to use the clock face, I also designed a version that's just flat here in the front. There's not an area to put the clock, so it's just a flat 3D turkey that you can put on your tabletop. So let's head over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file. Then we'll move over to Design Space. I'll show you how quick and easy this is to upload it and start cutting it because I've set all the score lines, the draw line, everything for you. All you have to do is upload it and make it. That's it. So I'll show you how to do that and then we can get started making it.
Alright, so we're at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to the library with all my files in it, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll be emailed a password once you fill out a form, but for now we're going to go to Enter the Library. Type in the password and click Enter, and we'll be brought to the files. Now you want to head to the turkey paper clock file. It is file number 44 in the library. Click on that link and you'll download it to your computer, and then we can open it up into Design Space. I do want to tell you that we have two different versions of this file in the download. In this tutorial, we're going to go over the clock version, but if you don't want to make a paper clock, that is totally fine. I made a decor version, which just has a flat front for the turkey. There's no cutout for the clock insert at all, so it's totally up to you which one you choose. Okay, we're in a new project in Design Space. We're going to go to Upload, then Upload Image, and click Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto the computer, click Open, and then click Save. Highlight the image and click Insert Image. It's going to bring it into our canvas. I'm going to zoom out here just a little bit. There we go. Now you want to head up to Ungroup. And you don't have to do anything else. I've already put in the score lines and the draw lines, so you don't have to do any attaching at all. I've done everything for you. So just head up to the Make It button. You'll see the different matte previews. And hit the Continue button. You'll select your material once your machine connects to Design Space. I'm using the medium cardstock, and then we can go ahead and start to cut everything out. Okay, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our cardstock, scoring wheel or stylus, Cricut pen, Cricut brayer. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out. I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to sit here and watch the entire process. Alright, I have everything all cut out now. So I have all my cardstock pieces, the Cricut scraper, we have crafter's tape, art glitter glue, the clock face, and some hot glue and glue gun. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is we are going to glue the feather pieces together. Make some room here. So I'm going to take my adhesive and apply it to the back side of the red layer. And I'm going to take some of the art glitter glue and dab just the tips. Just like that. Oops. And place this on top of the orange layer. I'm going to line up the bottom. There we go. And do the same thing for the brown layer. Okay, we can set that to the side. Now let's work on the stand. So you want to start by folding the stand along the score lines. So whenever I do score lines, because of how it scores from the top instead of the back, most of the time I fold to the front first, and then I fold to the back. I'm going to go ahead and press all the folds. I'm going to use my Cricut scraper to fold as well. Okay, now we can take the bridge part of the stand, and you want to fold the tabs. There we go. I'm going to show you how this fits. You bend it a little bit, and then after you apply your adhesive, you're going to line that up with the top flap on both sides, just like that. So I'm going to take my adhesive and again I'm just going to add a little bit of the art glitter glue. Start on one side, and press it, and line up the other side. You're lining up the edge of the top flap with the crease line from the fold. Press it, and see how it lines up perfectly? Okay, so now we need to add adhesive to all of the tabs that form the stand once everything is folded and placed in place. So I'm just going to go along and add adhesive to all of the little tabs. Alright, now that all the adhesive has been applied, we can start to form the box. So lift up the back walls and line them up with the tab that is part of the top of the box. You want to make sure that you line up the corners. Give it a nice rub. And if you fold down the box, you can press it up against the table. Do that on the other side. And see how I folded it flat, just so that I can press a little bit firmer up against the table. Alright, that looks good. Now just do the sides. Fold in the flaps. And lift up on the side wall. There we go. Do the same thing on the other side. Just like that. Alright, the stand is done. Now let's work on the turkey itself. First, let's put all of the facial features on the front of the turkey. So that's the hat, the beak, the eyes, and the trim on the hat. Isn't he cute? Alright, let's set him to the side so that can dry. Now we need to fold along the score lines on the wrap. I'm calling it the wrap, but it's the side walls that the clock face is actually going to fit into, and it makes the turkey 3D. So I guess I don't really know the technical term, but to me it wraps because it wraps around the circles. So that's what I'm calling it. So just fold all of the tabs in and then press with the Cricut scraper. Now I'm going to grab my crafter's tape and I'm just going to run a line across each one of the tabs. Now I'm putting it on the outside of the tab. Alright, now I'm going to take the back circle of the turkey and take the wrap and wrap it around the circle, pressing the tabs along the way. Okay, now with the face of the turkey face down, take the back piece, press it up against the front, and then flip it over and just use your fingers and press the tabs up against the front of the turkey. Isn't he cute? Okay, so now we're going to take our hot glue gun and add some glue to the bridge and carefully place the turkey inside the bridge or on top of the bridge. Want to hold it there for a second so the glue can actually adhere everything together. And you want to make sure that you line up the bottom of the turkey with the bottom of the stand. There we go, that looks good. It's coming together. Now let's take our feather pieces and we're going to take some adhesive and run it along the bottom of those feathers. And then down the center. And I'm actually going to grab my hot glue gun and just run a bead down the center, because this is where we're going to place the turkey. Just cleaning up the strings, sorry. Alright, now we can place it behind our turkey. So I'm just lining it up. Press from the bottom first, flip it over, and give it a good push. Okay, now we can take our clock face, and I've already put the batteries inside, and we're just going to slowly insert it into the cavity in the front. Now when I was designing this, I did add 4 little slits in the front part to help with keeping the clock face stable when you set it right side up. Alright, your clock is all done.
How easy was that? Yes, I know there was a little bit of steps, but I mean overall, I think it took me maybe less than an hour. So that's really cool. And I just can't believe that it's all made out of paper. It's so cute. And I love that its little head wiggles. I hope that you guys like this file. And if you did like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come on with a new video. Head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other cool stuff there, Cricut tutorials, Cricut how-tos, all kinds of stuff. Make sure that you check it out. Until next time, guys, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys later. Bye.